So if you haven't known or you didn't know, now you know. Thank you very much for tuning in, people. Reggae Boyz former head coach Heimir Hallgrimsson would have now been appointed. Well, he has not officially been appointed as Ireland new head coach, lead them to the charge to head towards the World Cup 2026 campaign. Now, this for me personally, it's an interesting one, and I'm looking at it in two ways. Two ways I look at it, people. It's very, very interesting. I'm looking at it in two ways. Two ways. Now, I know a lot of persons that go come in the comment section. I think them are going to be just as conflicted as me. So, boy, JFF fluffed the bag on this one, or did the coach have other intention? Did the Reggae Boyz team totally turn the coach mind away from his tenure as head coach, or the lure of Ireland, maybe the financial package, just the idea of coaching Ireland was too good to turn away from? Smash the like button, people. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for joining. Really, really appreciate it. Hopefully, you guys are having a wonderful day. Whichever time span you're watching this on, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As I see me start this video by getting straight to the point. Heimir Hallgrimsson, now the head coach of Ireland, the Republic of Ireland. Less than 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks from walking away from the Reggae Boyz job. Less than 2 weeks. Now, there's so much to look at here, people. Ask yourself the question, how long does negotiation take? How long does it take to negotiate a contract like this to become the head of a senior team? From my perspective, from my knowledge, I know that maybe sometimes take like, maybe a month, a few weeks, working out logistics, working out this, working out that. And you ask yourself the question, maybe sometimes sometimes it takes longer than that. You ask yourself the question, how long has this been in the workings underneath? Is this something just, boy, within Ireland, see the opportunity, JFF fluff the bag, dismiss Hallgrimsson, or both Hallgrimsson and JFF cut on mutual consent, and within 1 week, within 1 week, Ireland snooping, dope contract, work out the plans for the future, work out logistics within 1 week and couple days. Is it feasible though? I know you got people coming in the comment section and say, of course, you can do that in 1 day. Interesting. Most persons who think like that would have never been involved in contracts negotiation. It's not something that's done overnight. Lawyers have to go through paperwork. All of these things happen. Unless you have 50 lawyers run through the big docket, big contract when you sign and get it done in 1 day. No, people, it takes a long, long time. Terms have to be agreed. A lot of things have to be agreed upon. A lot of things have to be, a lot of things they have to say eye to eye with. Saying, you know, we can do this, we can put this in place and that. So, as I said, the interesting part of it is here. Was this a situation that this has been boiling under the cover for Hallgrimsson? And Hallgrimsson saw the opportunity with the Copa America, with the World Bangaran, because this is not the first Bangaran for Hallgrimsson involved in. And he said, you know what? This is a perfect opportunity for me to take the move. And maybe, even during as the head coach of the Reggae Boyz team, he has or was in contact and conversation with the Republic of Ireland Federation. So this move would have been tentatively upcoming. Now, let's look at this another way. If this thing was planned prior to his leaving, what if we didn't have the issue the other day, but a major issue pop up next year, 2025, And Hallgrimsson decided, no, know what? I'm going to take the Ireland job at that point in time and move on. That left us on our face. That left us on our face. No, the whole aspect of maybe JFF left the bag. Let's look at it this way. Maybe it's a case in which Hallgrimsson genuinely wanted to carry on. Genuinely wanted to carry on. But the JFF was adamant in standing their ground and trying to play the big man, or the bigger boy, or the bigger dog style. Whereas they come to a decision and we're going to go by the decision. But Hallgrimsson, in aspect, wanted to stay. How does this look? No, on the JFF. Does it make them look small? Like, a coach just move on to a bigger job immediately? Or JFF can say, no what? Maybe we would have seen this already coming, so we make the next necessary preparation. From your perspective, people in the comment section, I really, really want to know what you guys think about it. So for this specific event and actions, there's so much ways to look at it. You will find persons said, and this happened to Jamaica. But you should ask yourself the question, are you supporting Jamaica? Are you Jamaican? And if something bad happened to Jamaica, are you in agreement with that? It's like you play football and fans in a gyrate and rate. And a man slide tackle and mash up your ankle. And you turn around and say, this happened to me, I should not do that. Think. It don't make no sense. It don't make any sense. Now, I think it's a very sensitive situation. And this now would have forced the JFF to go for one big boy and say, yeah man, we can do without you. So employ somebody with a bigger CV, with higher pedigree. Just to take the look of shame off of their face. If them feel any level of shame. Just saying if. Just saying if. But for me personally, it's a very, very interesting one. Really, really interesting. I just find it very, very surprising, extremely surprising that all the contract details could have done within just a week and a couple of days. That's surprising to me. For me, me know about many, many contracts. I've seen big contracts like these sorted out, and it don't take long. No one can do it. Normally, like 3 months, probably 6 weeks, sometimes more than that, just to work out the finer details. Because, as I said, there's a lot of things included in contracts. There's a lot of things. But congratulations on him in getting appointed. Actually, it's a big job. And definitely wish him all the best in what he's going to do. Just that these questions must be asked. You have to think about it as well. Say, no, what's happening? What's happening here? So, big up yourself, Hallgrimsson. Hopefully, you receive some success in your new move. But you are going JFF. Better reply. You better reply. Better reply. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Go in the comment section. Tell me what you think, people. Hit the like button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time. Heimir Hallgrimsson, new head coach of the Republic of Ireland. Surprise? Not really. Because I do eventually he's going to get a job. But the timings, no, that's interesting. That's an interesting one for me. Anyways, people, see you guys again. MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. Tell me what you think in the comment section, people. Don't forget, tell me what you think. Know what I mean?